the Royal Air Force entered its second century, we thought it was time to update the official Slow March for the Royal Air Force. We put out to competition to all of the regular bands and reserve band for entries for a Slow March that would meet the brief that it would predominantly be led for the Queen's Colour Squadron of the Royal Air Force to march out the Queen's Colour from Buckingham Palace during changing the guard on public duties. We received 13 entries, all of which were of an incredibly high standard, but there was one that just edged out and really did meet the brief with a sense of occasion and grandeur to it. The winning entry was Saeculum by Senior Aircraftman Matthew Leach from the band of the Royal Air Force College.
It's wonderful to see the new RAF Slow March being played for the first time at the recent Royal Air Force College Grand Royal graduation. But from a Queen's Colour Squadron perspective, we're hugely excited to be marching out to it for the first time from the Buckingham Palace forecourts in January as we start the RAF Regiment's 80th anniversary.